Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Every gardener dreams of cultivating something rare, beautiful, and valuable. And few flowers embody that dream, like the stunning Spanish saffron, Crocus sativus, the source of the world's most precious spice. Known for its royal purple petals and the golden red stigmas that yield saffron, this flower offers not only breathtaking beauty, but also an extraordinary connection between garden art and culinary luxury. If you've ever imagined harvesting your own saffron right from your backyard, this guide will help you make that dream a fragrant reality. Growing Spanish saffron, Crocus sativus, in the USA may sound challenging, but with a gentle understanding of its seasonal rhythms and soil preferences, even beginners can succeed. Native to Mediterranean climates, this hardy perennial thrives in USDA zones 6 through 9, where warm summers and mild winters provide the ideal environment. The key to success begins with selecting healthy saffron corms, the bulb-like structures from which the crocus blooms each fall. Choose large, disease-free corms for planting in late summer or early fall, when soil temperatures have cooled slightly, but before the frost sets in. Prepare your planting area with well-draining soil. Sandy loam is ideal, enriched with organic compost. The secret to thriving Spanish saffron, Crocus sativus, lies in avoiding waterlogging, as excess moisture leads to corm rot. If you live in a region with heavy clay soil, consider building raised beds or using pots to maintain proper drainage. Plant each corm about 4 inches deep and 4 inches apart, with the pointed tip facing upward. Cover lightly with soil and water, gently after planting to help the corm settle. Within weeks, slender green shoots will emerge, signaling that the magic has begun beneath the soil. As autumn sets in, each corm sends up a few elegant purple blossoms with vivid red stigmas, the part of the flower that becomes saffron spice. Harvesting saffron is a delicate, rewarding ritual. Each flower blooms for only a few days, so check daily and pluck the 3 crimson stigmas gently with tweezers in the morning when flowers are fresh. Dry them carefully on a clean surface in a dark, ventilated area for several days, and store in an airtight container away from light. Just a handful of flowers can yield a small but precious amount of this golden spice, celebrated for centuries for its aroma, color, and flavor. After flowering, allow the foliage to remain. Those green leaves feed the corms and prepare them for next season. Once they yellow and wither naturally, reduce watering. During the dormant summer period, keep the soil dry, as Spanish saffron, Crocus sativus, prefers a warm rest before reawakening in fall. If grown in pots, move containers to a shaded, dry place during dormancy, then bring them back to sunlight when growth resumes. Caring for Spanish saffron, Crocus sativus, requires mindfulness more than maintenance. Water sparingly during active growth, about once every 7 to 10 days, and ensure excellent air circulation to prevent fungal problems. Fertilize lightly in early autumn with a balanced organic fertilizer or bone meal to strengthen corms. Every 3 to 4 years, lift and divide the corms after the foliage has died back to prevent overcrowding and rejuvenate your crop. When grown with care, Spanish saffron, Crocus sativus, transforms your garden into a story of color and culture. Imagine the sight: violet petals opening under a cool autumn sunrise, releasing a soft fragrance while you handpick the delicate red threads of saffron gold. It's gardening at its most poetic, a bridge between earth, air, and artistry. Whether planted in raised beds, borders, or decorative pots, this crocus adapts beautifully to small gardens and patios alike. It pairs well with rock garden plants, autumn-blooming colchicums, and ornamental grasses. The best part: once established, these bulbs return year after year with minimal effort, rewarding your patience with beauty and spice in equal measure. In a world that rushes, growing Spanish saffron, Crocus sativus, reminds us to slow down, to savor moments, and to find wonder in the simple act of nurturing life. It's more than a plant. It's a legacy of warmth, fragrance, and gold. So, whether you're an urban gardener, a country grower, or someone who simply loves the artistry of nature, take this as your sign to start your saffron journey. It's time to plant a little luxury, harvest a touch of heritage, and grow something that connects you to centuries of botanical beauty and cultural richness. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more inspiring educational gardening content. Together, we'll bring the world's wonders into your garden, one bloom at a time.